Fun Facts with Chuck E. Cheese.
You ever wonder why we yawn?
Yeah.
Believe it or not, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're bored.
Really?
New research suggests that yawning is a reflex to cool our brains. I know what you're thinking. But Chucky, why do I yawn when I'm tired?
That is what I was thinking.
A lack of sleep has been shown to increase the temperature of your brain, which explains why we yawn when we feel tired.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm not bored. My brain is just hot from all this learning.
Fair enough.